Good evening to one and all. This is Shishkaladhar, physics teacher. Today I am going to demonstrate an activity to understand refraction of light at curved surfaces. The material required: one glass tumbler, one candle, one matchbox and water. Let us see this activity. First I am lighting this candle. Here, the candle itself is object. I am the observer. Rays are coming from this object and reaches to observer's eye. So, I am seeing this object. Now, I am placing a glass tumbler between object and observer. What happens if I fill this glass tumbler with water? Let us see. I am filling this glass tumbler with water. Just you see. We know very well this glass tumbler is a transparent medium bounded by two curved surfaces. Let us consider this is the first refracting surface. This is the second refracting surface. Here, the rays are coming from this object incident on the first refracting surface. We know very well when light travels from one medium to another medium, during the interface between the two mediums, due to change in its speed, the light ray bends. Here, the ray coming from object travels from rarer medium air to denser medium water, and at the interface it bends towards the normal. Similarly, at the second refracting surface, the ray coming from denser medium water to rarer medium air, at the interface between the two mediums it bends away from the normal. If we observe the rays which are emerging from the second refracting surface of this glass tumbler, see here they are converging. Means we can understand that how a glass tumbler filled with water behaves as a convex lens which is convergent nature. The meeting point of this convergent rays is called focus or principal focus. We know very well the distance between this optical center, that is midpoint of this lens, to this focus is called focal length. Now let us see what happens if I move this object towards this glass tumbler. See here. Now I am moving the object towards the glass tumbler. Just you see, when I am moving the object towards the glass tumbler, very close to the glass tumbler, the emerging rays becomes parallel. Just you see, the rays are becoming parallel. See here, this is very interesting thing in this activity. I placed this candle very close to this glass tumbler, means the object is placed within the focus. We observe the emerging rays are parallel. I am observing the object through this second refracting surface of this glass tumbler. Just you see, through this second refracting surface of the glass tumbler, we observed erect enlarged image. Means when the object is placed within the focus, enlarged erect image forms. Means convex lens behaves as a magnifying lens or simple microscope. From this activity, we can understand how a glass tumbler filled with water behaves as a convex lens. So, dear students, do this activity at your home to understand these concepts more clear. If glass tumbler is not available, we can also use transparent plastic glass. Thank you very much.